Isaiah 43 verse 18. Forget the former things. Do not dwell on the past. Tell your neighbor, forget the former things. Verse 19. See, perceive, understand that I am doing a new thing. Now it springs forth. On this very day it springs forth. I will make a way in the wilderness and streams in the wasteland. Are you with me today? Jehovah usually sends his angels to do his will. We've seen Michael doing the will of the Lord. We've seen Gabriel doing the will of the Lord. He sends his servants, the pastors, the apostles, the prophets. But when he got ready to make you, he called a meeting with himself. He said, let us make man in our own image. He did not dedicate your coming to this earth. I don't know what they told you before you came here. I don't know what they said about your life. But your coming here was a result from a meeting in heaven between El Elyon and El Gibor. The Father spoke to the Son. The Son spoke to the Spirit. He said, let us make Apostle Mamaso in my image and my likeness. Are you with me? You are wonderfully and fearfully made. Your birth was not a mistake. If you were born from a rape, it was because God wanted two people who would never meet under normal circumstances to produce someone like you. You are a wonder in all creation. The angels ask, what is man that you are mindful of him? You are a wonder. It does not matter how you came. What matters is that you are here.